Hello and welcome. My name is Andy for CreditDoctorNY.com. As the world financial markets remain uncertain these days, it is extremely important that you are prepared for the future. But how and who do you trust? Those are the two biggest questions that everyone asks. Since 2004, CreditDoctorNY.com is using a system that would not only aid in cleaning up inaccurate, obsolete, and erroneous items from your consumer credit report, but would involve each customer to increase their education on the harmful financial effects of negative credit. Credit restoration is the key to your financial future, and here in the U.S., having a good financial standing is vital. CreditDoctorNY.com educates and empowers you to securing your future through credit restoration, identity theft protection, wills and trusts, as well as a debt payoff system. If you're serious about helping yourself and your future, contact Credit Doctor NY today at 973-664-7333. Or take a visit to their website at www.creditdoctorny.com. Make the right choice and do it now.